Today we are going to be out on the range. We're going to be testing my reload for the 7.62x54, and I've also bought out some two of the fin rifles to check out the 7.62x53 load I've made. Now those of you members know when I was developing this, ran into a problem with this rifle. We're going to use the same rifle that we had for the testing. I came up with a load that I like, and at 50 yards we're just going to sit and go real slow for accuracy with the gun and see if it changes from the accuracy changed now that we fixed this. Plus I bought a second mosin gun. Now we're going to shoot the 311 bullet, and maybe we'll look at the targets, and maybe I'll go out and fire the 308 caliber bullets through these two guns to see if there's a difference. See, this is what we're trying to experiment with here. So let's get started. Alright, that's gun number one. Alright, now we have gun number two. This gun wasn't used in the original testing, but when I had dozens of these rifles, I did make a notation that this one shot a little bit more accurately than the others. I haven't shot it in many years. So let's see how it does with the reloads here off the bench. Okay, we'll go look at our initial targets. Alright, this is rifle number one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots, shooting a tad bit high at 50 yards. We're going to save these targets and do a very close examination of them. So this one here, really not that impressive, but the one over here, much better group. Okay. Yes, that's why I kept that gun aside for accuracy. So this is what the hand loads for 7.62 by 54, which has a larger diameter bullet. Now I'm going to fire 5 through each rifle with the 30 caliber bullet, and then there will be a video where I compare these two and another two rifles. And we'll also answer the question, are the Finnish guns more accurate than the Russians? Now, we're going to take rifle number one, again at 50 yards, fire 5 rounds with the ammo loaded with 30 caliber bullet, and see if there's a difference. This one really isn't that accurate of a rifle. And that's the thing about the Mosins. They do vary from gun to gun. Alright, that's rifle 1. We'll get rifle 2 up here. Okay, now we're going to run rifle 2. Alright, let's go see what we done. Alright, rifle number 1 with our 30 caliber bullets. 2, 3, 4, still shooting high. As far as the group, doesn't look much different. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. That's why we're going to review these targets in another video. But not too bad, you know. This one here is rifle number 2. And again, we're shooting right on with that. That's why I kept that gun. And again, I think it's a little bit more spread out, but we will analyze this in detail when we get back and go over the results here. Alright, so that's it for our Nagants. I'm going to break these videos up. I'm going to do the finished guns next. Probably a similar thing. Maybe I'll shoot the 30 cal and then the 311 bullets, see if there's a difference. And we'll have a nice little session where we compare and see how it all worked out. So alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.